lessons, the first lesson which I teach you in the journey of success, the first lesson is failure. First of all, you should learn what is failure. Failure is not a curse. Failure is not something like you have done some crime, or it is not a shame. It is not a sin. In India, what many people think that if a person has failed, he has done some crime, right? Even our parents, our relatives, and they start making fun that this person has failed in this person has failed in 10th class, this person has failed in 12th class, he can never be successful. And society discourages that person like anything, and then he also said that I have failed in 10th class, I can't become successful. I can't become successful. So the first lesson is to get success, you must have failures in your life. In India, people discourage failures. In America, people appreciate you when you fail. They say very good, go on, keep doing, you will fail. And fail fast as you can. And very soon you are going on the top. So without failure, you can't have success. It's like failure and success both are brothers. Failure is a younger brother, and success you can say elder brother. So when you are going on the path of, when you want to meet success, so for what success will do? Success will send his brother. Go and check what kind of candidate he is. Is he weak or is he strong? Then failure will come. And when people face failure, many people they start panicking. Oh, I got rejection. My friend rejected me. This, that, and then they quit. And failure also becomes happy. Bhaiya, I defeated that person. No need to meet that person. He doesn't deserve you. He's crying. See, he's crying. And when failure meets a strong person, then he start crying. Bhaiya, please save me. And then success comes to him. So to become successful, first of all, you must what? You must fail first. Some people get success at the very beginning only, but that is not success. To reach on top, definitely failure will come. But how you are taking that failure as a lesson? And failure is not a failure when you have accepted it, then it's a failure. When you have not accepted it, then it's a setback. It's a lesson for you. So the first thing is fail fast as you can. When you fail fast, you will achieve more and more dreams. So in EVs, the first lesson is what? Failure. Second lesson. Many people are having a disease which is like a more, you can say, more danger than cancer also. We can say. And what is that? It is that disease is known as excusitis. What? Excusitis. Habit of making excuses. When a client will call that last Sunday we are having board meeting, this Sunday we are going for Chennai to attend the cycle achiever conference. Then they will start calculating profit and loss, and they will give excuse. Sir, my mom is not allowing. Last week I made a trip over here, then I spent money and all these things. But the real fact is he didn't talk to his mom. His mind is saying that you have worked too much, you need to relax this Sunday. So he will make an excuse. Everywhere he will make an excuse. But if at the same time his friend will call him, let's go for birthday party. Even if he is having 1 or 2 degree fever, he will say, I will manage, let's go for watching movie Kahani. This is excusitis. For getting, you are in EV's platform. You want to complete your dreams. And along with that, you want to keep excuses along with you. How is it possible? This is not possible. You can have either success or excuses, but not both at the same time. I also learned this lesson. I never made excuses since the beginning only, but I saw many people, those who made excuses and they failed. And they started saying, I did my best, I was this, I gave presentation, so many things. So second lesson is what? Leave excuses. Third lesson, be consistent. Like you are consistent in Facebook, maybe you are having fever, you are not giving PPT follow-up, but at the same time you will be posting photos. One of my associates told, sir, today I can't meet you today, I am very tired, I am not feeling good, and then, sorry sir, I can't meet you. And at the same time he was posting photos and updating on WhatsApp. So instead of being active in WhatsApp, be active in WhatsApp, no problem. WhatsApp, Facebook, you get information, but be active in real life also, na? You are active in Facebook and WhatsApp, what is it going to help you out? No. So be active in real life also. And you are desperate to make girlfriend. You are desperate to do party. Why you are not desperate for your goals and dreams? will send 10 friend requests every day. You will get rejected 10 times. Again 10 friend requests. Again 10 friend requests. But you will not stop. Here 10 people rejected, crying. Sitting at home, 10 people rejected. I can't do hai toba. In Hindi we say. So be active in real life, be consistent. Okay. Why I joined EPIS? Because simply from NIT Warangal, everybody knows the placement of NIT Warangal is super. Okay, as compared to other colleges. But I also realized that if I want to travel Australia, one-way ticket costs 50,000. Two-way tickets 1 lakh rupees. If I go with my mom and dad, 3 lakh rupees expenditure in tickets. Plus staying and traveling, it will cost me 10 lakh rupees. If I want to see famous countries like since childhood we are listening now, London, Singapore, Dubai, then Europe, Australia, Africa, it will be like 10 countries since childhood you will be knowing. If you want to travel 10 countries also, now you need 1 crore rupees. And if I get a job of 10 lakh rupees, I will save 2 lakh rupees. In 5 years, I will travel 1 country. How many years do I need to travel 10 countries? 50 years. And this is not possible. I also realized that this. I was a topper since the last 18 to 20 years. But if I had accepted a job of 12 lakh rupees, I will be an average person. I will be an average person. And today the definition of average person, the average person is the new poor. They are going into poor class because of inflation. So I decided that I will choose EPIS as a full-time career. Maybe my income is not 10 lakh rupees today. But after 2 years, 3 years, it is going to cross more than 10 lakhs. I came in this system because of the growth. Not in terms of money, but in terms of personality, in terms of everything. And I am enjoying EPIS right now. I am finally pass out from NIT Warangal, and presently I am leading a team of more than 800. And I did since starting only. I made trips to different places. I like traveling, so making a trip was not very difficult for me. Even if I had no money, then I slept on railway platform. I managed money anyhow. And this money issue you have to solve on your own. Business needs investment. And 100 rupees, 200 rupees not an investment also. For that you will spend on pizza and burger and all those things. If you save that, then you can make a trip also. Okay, so being a cycle achiever, start making trips at new places. This is all from my side. Thank you very much.